Okay, this is our little storage shed that we have in the back, and my wife wants to build a little tiny porch for this shed. It's going to be the width of the shed, which is 8 feet, and it's going to come out about 4 feet. So we're making it out of scrap pressure treated wood. This came off of an old fence. You can see right here, this is 1 inch thick pressure treated 1x6, and it's a true 1 inch thick wood. So anyway, we're working on that, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. You can watch us build it. Watch your fingers. Good job. Nothing like a good dull blade.
It'll work.
Okay, this one's 7'10". Alright, let's cut that. This is the other 4'2", right?
Yes, it is.
That sounded like it. Awesome. Looks good. Alright, so we got basically our subframe done. Did that here in the shop. Took us about 30 minutes. Again, this is all treated wood from an old fence that we salvaged, and we're going to use it as a deck for our little shed. Okay, we've now added some cement blocks, and we had these extra in the back. We buried them in the ground about 3 inches, so we have them spaced equally. So now we'll put our deck subfloor on there. Okay, so basically we nailed up our ledger board, which is this board right here. Then we took our frame, our subframe, and nailed it to that, leveled it. Put our level on here, got it nice and level. And so now all I've done is I've measured from the top of this surface down to the base of that block. Same way on the other side. We've got those measurements. We're going to cut our blocks, we'll nail those in, and that will be our that'll be our support pillars. Okay, these are the support blocks, and these are made of sinker cypress wood. This wood is very, 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 very rot resistant. I've had this stuff in the ground for 10 years and it never rot.
Another one?
I'll say that's done. Alright. So let's check, see if we have a little bit of, we should have a little bit of, it's about as level as you can get.
But we wanted it to drift away.
We wanted it to drip away, but that didn't happen for some reason. I don't know. But level's fine.
Well,
level's fine.
by the time the rocks.
Alright, we are continuing our work the next day on the little porch of our little garden shed. And here is Butterbean Hey, Butterbean. Say hey, Butterbean. Say hey to the YouTubers, Butterbean. Alright. And so, we have taken a little grinder and ground off the loose paint. Got a good working surface, and we're now putting our first coat of primer slash paint primer. Looks really nice. Give me a wave. Okay, and this is the next day, and we have painted the boards. She's put 2 coats on them, and we have screwed the boards down. I used them deck screws, and believe it or not, that's the most expensive part of this whole project were the deck screws. They were $9.99. So anyway, 2-inch deck screws and salvage lumber, and so this is the finished product. She's putting her last coat on there. Hey, what do you think? It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good for a tool shed or slash garden shed porch. Is that right, Nugget? Nugget, what do you think, boy? Huh? What do you think? You like it? You like it? Yeah, Nugget likes it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, click up here to your top right on your screen and subscribe. More stuff coming your way.